Hello dear friends, today we are excited to start calling you Kushamadir within our new and enhanced app support system.
Today we will learn our lesson, enhancing our knowledge and understanding. The Ichimoku indicator and analysis. We will within the same period use two moving averages. Use support and resistance levels effectively and apply their combination within your strategy. With this system we will also have the capability to execute scalping and swing trading intraday. With this you can proceed. There is no sufficient amount of time during which you can gain benefits and improve your trades. Until you learn this crucial skill, you will not be able to successfully accomplish your goals. You can gain good profit from this location here. They are sitting inside the H4 range, which you can clearly see from your current location right now here. This indicator is displayed here for your reference. The stock has touched our support level once again today. Here and within the same range we observe consistent patterns emerging over the analyzed period. We'll also see candles where it is not marked its own. The stock formed an engulfing candle. The down market began its upward trend from this point, similar to the behavior shown by your indicator. The issue came up by touching from here, so here we made a retest to confirm the findings accurately. We formed a shape in which we could move together. Now we have to look for it in the above candles because this is a moving average. Here you are unable to see the VIX. Instead the VIX is positioned above you. Therefore after the market moves upward from this point, it subsequently retests this level again. After testing the engulfing zone, I'll test if an engulfing candle is given, then the market. Using your big candle, it accidentally caused this fragile object to break apart completely and beyond repair today. Additionally, your consumer trend is steadily and significantly shifting towards buying. At this exact point, as you continue to move upwards, these two moving averages will be systematically scored and managed effectively in this context here. And it is present everywhere where there exists an engulfing channel. Over there, these tools will consistently generate significant profits for you in a secure and reliable manner, just like they are doing here right now. If we successfully pick this up, then see here, your engulfing area has now arrived. So here comes a retest, 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 and then moves down here shortly. The indicator is clearly telling you that this particular selling area should be treated as a buying area. From here, the moving average is continuously rising. When you start moving to the side, then here you will be able to assist in completing the task. Which of the red sellers who participate in the market offers the best quality products available? The color that is red, now their resistance level has been retested from here. Currently the market is declining rather than rising, which increases the probability of it moving sideways. These numbers are higher, so if I shift this position, it should align correctly with our goals. Inside an egg, within 1 hour from now, you will clearly receive exactly the same things here. Things that we see within the H4 header. So now it will become much easier for you to decide within which base to store your information. You will activate your test mean here by following the steps outlined in the manual. Right now this has inclining with you. This one here has prediction modeling on the top side and on the downside. Here it has absolute and margin backup. Now within this particular series you also have the ability to perform scalping and utilize swing charts. Now if I shift this directly within 30 minutes, then it will be clearly right in front of you. This interface will appear like this, where you will get clear entries, but in 15 minutes we will see much more. And if we have to do only scalping, then we will go live within 5 minutes. Now here you keep observing what and when is happening. You will continue to keep receiving all those things from here.